Hello friends, welcome to my channel Medi Graphics. I hope you all are fine, and today I am going to give you a bundle of elegant business card mockups which you can customize according to your need. They all files are in PST and they are fully editable. Okay, so first of all I will show you how you can customize it in Photoshop. First of all I will extract files then I will open the PSD file. So our file is open here, and then you select the Z branding mockup, I mean design here, and open the layer section, and then your design, click on this, and here you got the design. First of all you have to delete all of this, and then you have to go to your design and drag it to the Photoshop. So I drag it here and adjust it according to the design, and then press Ctrl S. I press Ctrl S and simply, here we go, my design is at the mockup. And then I select second one and go to layer section, click on the design, and then I will delete all of this. Sorry friends, 1 minute. I delete all of this, and now I go to my files, and now I will paste my logo here. I am sure you can do better than me. I'm just telling you how can you do it. Okay, now Ctrl S, and simply my design is at the mockup. So this is the tutorial. You can paste your design at the mockup, and now I am giving these files link in the description below. You can click there and download these files easily. So to keep updates for the new files, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.